so hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Since I throw back with another one, I have not been in front of the camera for over a month. It's been so long, like I can't even remember. I've had these braids in for over a month, that's how you know, and I haven't filmed a video of my braids in. So yeah, but I got a new camera and I'm so excited. Yeah, I'm basically gonna be filming a little makeup tutorial, which is basically like a back to school sort of thing, because a lot of people going back to school. I personally just come back to uni. I start uni next week, but like I just came back a bit early for freshers and all that, because your girl needs to be lit before the work comes, because when the workload hits. I've already moisturized my face, so I'm just gonna start with my eyebrows, coming a bit closer. Next, Tame and Frame tinted brow pomade. Basically fill them in. I'm gonna outline them first and then go back and fill them in. Then I'm gonna go and fill in the rest of the brow. Then when I get to the front, I like to do hair like strokes like this to make it look more natural. And this is gonna be a very natural look, guys. Like I'm not even gonna wear foundation, because when people are just wearing full face and this is where I don't get it. People actually wear full face makeup to lectures. It's 9 AM, like what time did you get up to do full face makeup and attend like 1 or 2 lectures and go home? Like what a waste of makeup. That is not my portion. Nah. Like this is gonna be concealer based look, but I wear this look a lot and then people say it looks like foundation as well, so literally like it's a win-win. Like you look good and you don't even have to wear foundation, so yeah. Okay, so that's the eyebrows done. I'm now gonna conceal them. Because it's like an everyday natural look, I'm basically just gonna conceal with my skin tone concealer, and that's the LA Girl concealer in Chestnut. So I feel like the eyebrows don't look good. I don't like the entire makeup. I don't care if the rest of the face looks beat and all that. It's like I'm looking at my eyebrows and like, it's not the one. Like it's really not the one. So yeah, I really just like to concentrate when I'm doing this. We back and we better. So I'm just gonna blend in this concealer because we don't want no clown looking eyebrows that looks clapped, bro. That doesn't look cute. Okay, so once that's blended, I'm gonna go with my spoolie again and just brush the front a bit to give that faded look. So now it's time for the face. The primer. We got there in the end. We got there. The primer. So yeah, I'm just gonna apply that in my T-zone areas and places. Just places where you got oily, just add that. Sometimes I add primer when I'm not even wearing any makeup, because it just acts like a barrier. I just tap that into my face. Don't rub it, because you'll see if you rub it, like it's not cool. It just flakes up, but you pat it and you can already see how matte my forehead is because it was shiny before. And then pat under my eyes. And then my nose, and there you go. Also, I forgot, sometimes I actually bake my eyebrows. Well, not bake, but slightly dust them with powder to make sure they don't get oily. So I'm just gonna take the Revolution banana powder, slightly dab over my eyebrows. And I also go over the concealer bit just so that doesn't get oily, because I'm quite an oily person. Like I just get oily, and that helps them not to get oily throughout the day, because when you have school, uni, college, whatever it might be, you just get really oily, like because you got to do more stuff. Like you're more prone to your makeup just messing up or whatever, so that's a good thing to do. It's one of my tips. Okay, so next is the concealer. So I'm just going to take the Chestnut concealer again and go over any dark marks. Oh, looking back to when I first was doing makeup, it was so bad. It was so bad. Like, I can't believe my mom let me walk out of the house looking like that. Basically squeezing the last bits out of here. So I'm just going to leave that to sit for like a minute or two, because that'll build the coverage and whatever. I'm now going to take my Revolution concealer in the shade C16. I'm in the second year of uni now, and yeah, I already feel like there's just so much more work than it was in first year. First year my timetable was so empty, and this year's like a complete contrast. On like, oh, I want my timetable back. But so that's why I came a week early for freshers, to live my best life, and then that's just deep uni afterwards, because it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be really hard. So I'm now gonna set my under eye and all my highlighted areas with a mix of the banana powder I used earlier, and then the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder. So that's what I'm gonna be using. Set. I've already made a mess. So I'm basically gonna mix those two powders together. Usually I would bake, because this is like a school thing. I'm not really baking like that. I'm just making sure the powder's in there and the makeup's not gonna budge, because I ain't got time to be checking my makeup every 2 seconds. Some people don't even need to set their face and it lasts all day, or they barely set it and it lasts all day. Sometimes when I'm doing like my full face, I don't even bake, I just do this and it's still wonderful. Also, like, just powder my nose a little bit because my nose gets oily. I still look a bit scary, but it'll be brought together when I add my face powder. So I'm now gonna take my sleek contour palette in the shade Dark and just contour my face. Okay, now to bring everything together, I'm going to take my MAC Studio Fix powder. It's a bit rubbed off. I'll show you the inside, guys. It looks like this, like this, you know. So I love this powder. If you haven't noticed by that, I'm gonna take my fluffy brush, my fluffy brush, and basically set my entire face and bring everything together so it looks natural. Like, look. Say no more, honey, say no more. She cute or whatever, she cute or whatever. Now, kudos to you guys wear lashes to school, but that's not me. But yeah, I'm basically gonna be adding mascara. But this mascara looks like something with some falsies on it. I swear down. Like, when I first discovered this mascara, I was literally with my best friend Justine in Paris, because we were doing like our first holiday. I went to Paris and Amsterdam, but we were in Paris, and I just thought, oh, it's on offer on Kiko, let's try it. And I've never looked back. It's been cute. It's the 30-day extension daily treatment mascara. Don't forget the lower lash line as well, because that makes your eyes pop. Okay, so now I'm gonna set my face and all that good stuff, you know, because can't have an unset face, because that will just be a waste of time. Can you imagine leaving the house and then you forget to set your face? Like, it's just sad. Like, it's so sad because you beat your face so good and then an hour later it's like it never even happened. No, please set your face. There's literally nothing in this. I'm gonna have to chuck it and get a new one. So I guess it's done Decay. So I'm just gonna set my face with this. It's a really good setting spray, but what I love about Morphe is that it's just a mist, so it doesn't even move your makeup one bit. But I like mixing the two because that really makes sure my makeup stays in place. So I'm just gonna... Okay, so now it's time for the lips. I'm gonna take the Revolution lip gloss in the shade On Display, but everything will be down in the description box below. So if I keep looking that way, I'm getting used to having a viewfinder because there's a new camera, but I just want to check my focus because I'm doing manual focus. But yeah, I'm just gonna take that and apply that to my lips. Guys, I'm really sorry, I nearly forgot to add highlight. Like, I forgot. So this is the Revolution Baked Highlighter. Pretty and all that. I'm just gonna take a little bit on my brush and just basically pat it to my face. Can you even see what I'm doing? Hold on. And I do this to get this sort of glow, like it's a nice subtle highlight. And then I get my finger and apply some to my nose. I don't know what I'm gonna do for hair. A half up, half down ponytail, but where's my scrunchie? That's the thing. Like, where is it? I don't know, guys. I think I want it higher. Pull any hairs that are like a bit tight because we don't want your hairline receding. That's not cute either. And because I've had my braids in for ages, it is a bit harder to get my hair to cooperate, but like, yeah, this is the finished look. The hair's looking cute or whatever for school, when we've got school, uni, anything, like this is all suitable. So I wanted to try to do a look that was basically inclusive to everyone because, yeah. And I've got a hoodie on, I've got a school hoodie on, like I'm not even like, I'm just chill. Like I rock up to uni in anything. Like sometimes I'll be looking cute and sometimes I'll literally just, you know, most of the time I literally just put on a hoodie, put on some sweatpants, some leggings, whatever, some jeans, and I'm good. I'm Gucci. Like I don't do much for uni. Like some days I'll be like, oh, let's put on some makeup, but I don't make up every day. So this is like the time I wear makeup, and because it's first day back, you gotta look cute. Can't be looking like, oh nah, I just want to look cute the first day. So yeah. Hopefully I filmed this how I wanted to film it. So I'm still in this camera, like. Bye guys.